If you're considering hiring a bathroom renovation contractor in Kitchener, you're likely wondering what a realistic budget might look like. Every homeowner in Kitchener-Waterloo who embarks on a bathroom renovation project faces this pivotal question. Setting a realistic budget is crucial for several reasons. It helps you manage your expectations, prevents unexpected financial stress, and ensures you're getting the best value for your investment. Given the unique housing market and local costs, understanding the financial landscape is vital. In this article, we'll explore the key factors that influence bathroom renovation costs in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, from material selection to labor expenses. We'll also provide you with a range of budget estimates that reflect different levels of renovation, from basic upgrades to full-scale transformations. Whether you're planning a simple refresh or a luxurious overhaul, knowing what to expect financially will set you up for success. Stay tuned as we guide you through the essentials of budgeting for your next bathroom renovation, helping you make informed decisions that align with both your vision and your wallet. Understanding costs. Bathroom renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo. When planning a bathroom renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo, it's essential to have a clear understanding of the costs involved. The overall budget for a bathroom remodel can vary significantly depending on the size of the space, the quality of materials chosen, and the complexity of the design. On average, homeowners in the region can expect to spend anywhere from $10,000 to $25,000 for a standard bathroom renovation. However, opting for high-end fixtures and finishes can drive the cost upwards to $50,000 or more. Engaging a reputable bathroom renovation contractor in Kitchener can help you navigate these options effectively. Material selection plays a crucial role in determining your renovation budget. Standard fixtures and finishes like porcelain tiles and mid-range vanities are budget-friendly, but still offer durability and aesthetic appeal. On the other hand, luxury items such as marble countertops or custom cabinetry will increase your expenses, but can significantly enhance the look and feel of your bathroom. It's important to balance your preferences with practicality to ensure that your renovation meets both your aesthetic and functional needs. Labor costs are another significant factor to consider. Working with experienced contractors can ensure quality workmanship, but it's wise to obtain multiple quotes to ensure competitive pricing. In Kitchener-Waterloo, labor costs might be slightly higher due to demand, especially if specialized skills are required. It's also beneficial to discuss any potential hidden costs up front, such as plumbing or electrical upgrades, which can impact your budget. Set a clear budget before starting and include a contingency of 10 to 15% for unforeseen expenses. Focus on essential upgrades that offer the best return on investment, such as energy-efficient fixtures. Consult with a bathroom renovation contractor in Kitchener to gain insights into local material and labor costs. Consider the timing of your renovation, as costs can fluctuate with demand during different seasons. Research and plan for permits, which may be necessary for certain structural changes to avoid delays and additional costs. Breaking down expenses. Materials, labor, and permits. When planning a bathroom renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo, understanding the costs associated with materials, labor, and permits is crucial to setting a realistic budget. Typically, a bathroom renovation can range from $10,000 to $25,000, depending on the size and complexity of the project. Materials usually account for a significant portion of the budget, so choosing between high-end and budget-friendly options can greatly affect your overall costs. For instance, opting for ceramic tiles instead of natural stone can save money without compromising on style. Labor costs in Kitchener-Waterloo are another major component of your renovation budget. Hiring a professional bathroom renovation contractor, like Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys, ensures quality craftsmanship and can help avoid costly mistakes. Labor expenses typically cover demolition, plumbing, electrical work, and installation, which can account for 40 to 60% of your total renovation budget. It's essential to obtain detailed quotes and compare them to ensure you are getting a fair price for skilled work. Finally, don't overlook the necessary permits, which can add to your expenses but are essential for ensuring your renovation complies with local building codes. Permit costs in Kitchener-Waterloo can vary, but they usually range from $200 to $500. Skipping permits can lead to issues down the road, including fines or complications if you decide to sell your home. To manage your budget effectively, consider these practical tips. Research and select materials that offer the best value for your budget and aesthetic preferences. Get multiple quotes from reputable contractors to compare costs and services. Plan for unexpected expenses by setting aside an additional 10 to 15% of your budget as a contingency fund. Ensure all necessary permits are obtained to avoid legal issues and additional costs. Work with a contractor like Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys to gain insights into cost-saving strategies and high-quality material options. Local contractor insights. What to expect in Kitchener. When planning a bathroom renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo, setting a realistic budget is crucial. Working with a local bathroom renovation contractor in Kitchener can provide you with valuable insights into cost-effective choices and enhance the value of your investment. On average, homeowners in the region might expect to spend between $10,000 to $25,000 for a full bathroom renovation, depending on the scope of the project and the quality of materials chosen. It's important to remember that costs can vary significantly based on the size of the bathroom, the complexity of the design, and the specific materials you select. A local contractor can guide you through the decision-making process, helping you balance your budget with your vision. For instance, while high-end materials like natural stone tiles or custom cabinetry can quickly escalate costs, more affordable options such as porcelain tiles or stock cabinets can provide a similar aesthetic at a fraction of the price. In Kitchener and Waterloo, where the housing market is competitive, it's wise to consider renovations that not only meet your personal needs, but also enhance your home's resale value. Consult with a local contractor early in the planning process to get detailed estimates and timelines. Consider the resale value of your renovations. Opt for designs and materials that appeal to a broad audience. Explore local suppliers in Kitchener, Cambridge, and Waterloo for materials to potentially save on shipping costs. Set aside a contingency fund of about 10 to 15% of your budget for unexpected expenses. Prioritize essential upgrades, such as plumbing and electrical systems, to ensure safety and functionality. Budget-friendly tips for Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners. Embarking on a bathroom renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo can be both exciting and daunting, especially when it comes to budgeting. Understanding the local market and making informed choices can help you manage costs effectively. While the average bathroom renovation in this region can range from $10,000 to $25,000, there are several strategies you can employ to keep your project within a realistic budget without compromising on quality. One of the first steps is to prioritize your needs versus wants. Determine which elements are non-negotiable, such as updating plumbing fixtures or ensuring energy efficiency, and which upgrades can be considered luxury items. Collaborating with a reputable bathroom renovation contractor in Kitchener can provide valuable insights into where your money is best spent. Local contractors often have established relationships with suppliers, which can lead to cost savings and access to exclusive materials. Plan ahead. Take the time to map out your renovation plan thoroughly. This includes selecting fixtures, tiles, and finishes early on. Planning reduces the likelihood of costly changes later in the process. Reuse and recycle. Consider retaining elements of your current bathroom that are still in good condition, such as cabinetry or the bathtub. Refinishing existing fixtures can save money and add a vintage charm. Shop local. Supporting local suppliers not only boosts the community, but can also reduce transportation costs. Local showrooms often have sales and discounts that might not be available in larger chains. Focus on lighting. Efficient lighting can transform a bathroom's appearance. Opt for LED fixtures that offer both style and savings on your energy bill. DIY where possible. While some tasks should be left to professionals, like plumbing and electrical work, painting or installing new hardware can be manageable DIY tasks that reduce labor costs. By following these budget-friendly tips, Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners can achieve a stylish and functional bathroom renovation while keeping expenses in check. always remember that a well-planned renovation with guidance from a trusted bathroom renovation contractor can make all the difference in achieving your dream bathroom without breaking the bank. How costs compare across Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge. When planning a bathroom renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo, understanding the cost differences between the cities of Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge is crucial. In Kitchener, where many homes are located in older wards, a bathroom renovation can range from $15,000 to $30,000. The older housing stock often means dealing with outdated plumbing and electrical systems, which can push the costs toward the higher end of the spectrum. Engaging a knowledgeable bathroom renovation contractor in Kitchener can help navigate these challenges and keep your project on budget. In Waterloo, the housing landscape is dominated by post-1980s construction, which generally results in more predictable renovation costs. Homeowners can expect to spend between $12,000 and $25,000 for a bathroom renovation in Waterloo. The newer homes typically have updated systems, reducing the likelihood of unexpected expenses. This allows homeowners to focus more on aesthetic updates rather than fundamental structural changes. Cambridge presents a unique scenario with its century-old cores in areas like Galt, Hespeler, and Preston. Renovations in these historic neighborhoods often require special attention to preserve the character of the homes while updating essential systems. Consequently, a bathroom renovation in Cambridge can range from $14,000 to $28,000. The intricate plumbing and electrical work needed in these older homes can drive costs higher, making it essential to plan for contingencies. Consult with a local contractor familiar with the specific challenges of older homes in your area. Consider the age and condition of your home's plumbing and electrical systems when budgeting. Plan for a contingency fund of at least 10 to 15% to cover unexpected expenses, especially in older homes. Focus on essential updates first and then consider aesthetic improvements. Check for any local permits or heritage restrictions that might affect your renovation plans. Frequently asked questions. Q. What factors influence the cost of a bathroom renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo? A. Several factors can impact the cost of a bathroom renovation, including the size of the bathroom, the quality of materials chosen, and the extent of the renovation work. Additional considerations may include plumbing or electrical upgrades, custom cabinetry, and high-end fixtures. Obtaining quotes from local contractors and clearly outlining your renovation goals can help you establish a realistic budget. Q. How much should I expect to spend on a mid-range bathroom renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo? A. For a mid-range bathroom renovation in Kitchener-Waterloo, homeowners can typically expect to spend between $10,000 and $20,000. This range covers quality materials and fixtures, such as a new bathtub or shower, updated vanity, and improved lighting. The final cost may vary depending on individual preferences and any unforeseen issues that arise during the renovation process. Q. Can I save money by doing some of the renovation work myself? A. While DIY projects can save money, it's essential to consider your skill level and the complexity of the tasks. Simple tasks like painting or installing new fixtures may be manageable for a DIY enthusiast. However, more complex work, such as plumbing or electrical changes, should be left to professionals to ensure safety and compliance with local building codes. Careful planning and a clear understanding of your abilities can help you make cost-effective decisions. Ready to transform your bathroom with a renovation that fits your budget? Let the experts at Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys, Kitchener-Waterloo guide you through the process. Visit our bathroom renovations Kitchener-Waterloo page for more details, or check out our Google profile to see what others are saying. Call us today at 226-894-0234 or visit kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca to book your free estimate. Let's bring your dream bathroom to life.